Ethnic violence continues in the state of Manipur since May 3rd. Communal violence erupted against Meitei community being included in the ST category right after All Tribal Students Union of Manipur organized a solidarity march. SUCI Communist Party organized a protest at Freedom Park in Bengaluru in view of the continued violence in Manipur. SUCI Communist leader Sri Ram asked who is responsible for the bloodbath in Manipur state. He cited the fact that Manipur High Court has recommended to Manipur state government to add Meitei community to the ST category, which angered the Kuki community. Sri Ram also shed light on the fact that cultivation of poppy seeds is for livelihood of both Meitei and Kuki community, which further agitated both the communities as government proclaims it's illegal, and if such is the case, government should provide an alternative if poppy seeds cannot be cultivated.
Violence is spreading like wildfire. It has been in the real sense of the term, it has been a bloodbath. It is fratricidal bloodbath. That is the terminology what we have given from this thing. And that kind of a situation we are witnessing. Who is the cause of it? And the BJP government there is blaming some militant groups. And militant groups is blaming the government there. But really, it is the government which has taken steps against the interest of the people of Manipur, against the interest of the tribal population there, Kukis. And who was responsible for court order? The Manipur High Court passed an order regarding the question of reservation, regarding the question of Meitei's reservation. So the court has spoken in favor of that and given a direction to the state government, immediately, ultimately recommend to the central government to provide reservation for the Meitei community.
Sri Ram said BJP has an agenda that Hindu community should be a dominant community in the whole country, and BJP is pushing Hindutva agenda. He also said central BJP government and government of Manipur should take measures to help the development of Kuki Naga communities in Manipur.
BJP has got an agenda everywhere throughout the country that rather the Hindus should be in a dominating position. So all other communities also should agree to Hindu way of life. And among the Meiteis, all the Meiteis belong to the Hindu community. And the Kuki community, majority of them, they are Christians. So it's a conflict. They want to impose their Hindutva agenda on other communities. And that is their agenda, RSS agenda, and the agenda they are pursuing this. These other communities are not ready to take it. So because of this agenda they want to impose on others, which is not acceptable.